have Jada Kingdom woman. Jesus Christ, no, wait, whoa. Cast Iron Art, Jada Kingdom, what go on, babes? What go? You're good. Alright, Cast Iron Art, Jada Kingdom, like, she share this on her Instagram because I'm start follow artist now. You understand me? And she said she's thankful. Yo, Adi, thanks for putting more on your album. Yeah. Jada, I see you mention me as well. Anyways, Cast Iron Art, we could go through that one now. Ooh. Jada Kingdom. You know what, nobody? Jada. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, and I am back with another video. Now guys, it's early o'clock in the morning. I don't know if you can see it in my face, but anyways, we're gonna break down and find the best song on Adi to Tenesha album. Alright, now we're getting straight into the video. So y'all know what to do. Smash the like button, and if it's the first time here, subscribe to the channel with notifications on. You understand? Like, we have 10,000 channel in Jamaica right now with 100,000 subscribers. Why can't I do it? I'm a Jamaican. Support the Jamaican boy. Anyways, let's get 10k subscribers first. Okay, to Tanesha, so we have the first song on the album right now with it's called Never Was the One. Now let's get straight into it. Smash the like button, guys. Ready? Yeah. I do this. What? Yo, wait, I can't tell this dog. I did that? Yeah. What? Hola. Yeah. It's like when I sit down there from like how do you feel I wanna Alright, we got like yeah, the song basically I actually listened to all of that song. I wasn't gonna listen to all of it, but damn. The album surprised me already. That's the first song. I'm going to the next song is called Delusional with Sicker Rhymes. Shout out to Sicker Rhymes, you understand? And Jada Kingdom is on the album too, damn. But shout out to Sicker Rhymes. I go straight to the next one right now. Delusional with Sicker Rhymes. Here we are going now. Smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed, guys. Finally that lock off. Alright. Sicker Rhymes. Adi, Delusional. I did this dog? You know what I realized? He cleaned up the flow. You understand? So people international can really understand what I'm saying. You realize it? Sick rhymes. Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's like Sick rhymes run with that one here. It's like Sick rhymes take over that one here, dog. Yeah, but as usual, song done here. I'm listening to like all of this. I'm just got 2 songs in and I'm at 6 minutes already. Jano. No man. Next song is Then You and Me. Oh. Alright, so I actually know this one. I know Then You and Me and I'd Eat Me. So everybody know Then You and Me already. I reacted to that music video on the channel already, you understand? So go to the next one. More Than You Receive. Featuring what? Jesse Royal. I could see what I'm going for that one, you know. We're back. Sorry about that, we're back. This one is More Than You Receive. Yeah. I don't know Jesse Royal, by the way, guys, but yeah. Tough time off my mind. More Than You See, people, yeah. Alright, yeah. So I realize that if I listen to the entire song, the video is going to be too long. I know people don't really want to watch a long video. A video so long anyways. But yeah. I'm going good so far. So far, my favorite song so far, well, I know Genuine Me, so I'm not going to put Genuine Me in it. My favorite song so far is the first one, Never the One. That's what name? Never Was the One. Yeah, that's so far. That's my favorite one so far. So Never Walk Alone featured Jody Korcha, UTG. So one of them. Alright, squad, man, I know. And the next advertisement I go hit me again. Guys, if you never subscribe yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's try and get 10k subscribers. Support the Jamaican boy people. Ready? Alright, Never Was the One. Never Walk Alone, I should say. What? Yeah? Jody? What are you doing about your band? Yeah. Couture, okay. The teacher step in. What? UTG boss? Damn. Alright, people. You all know the routine. We ain't finna listen to the entire song because if the video gonna be too long, people don't want to watch long videos. But me I go watch over the song them though. But so far, track 1, Never Was the One, is still my favorite one. Rocket to the Moon is next. Rocket to the Moon. Let's see what I go on. Yeah. Yeah. What? Rocket to the Moon. Wow. Yeah. Alright, and as usual, wait for the react to the entire song. This song is 4 minutes long. Like, come on now. The video gonna be 10,000 minutes long. Alright. Next one is In the Moment. No features on this one either. You understand? Not to see what I go on for In the Moment. For the girl, let me see what I want for the girls them now, Addy. Hold on there. This is not a dance song. And yet one. People sleeping on this one, you know. This one has one of the less views, you know. What go on? What you see there now? See there now? Yeah. 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 Alright, what about new favorite now? What about new favorite? And as usual, waiting for the react to the song. So my new favorite is In The Moment. Damn man. Alright, the next one on the track is Make No Sense featuring Slim-Matic. Slim-Matic, Make No Sense. Make us see what I go on. Yeah, no make no sense, dog. Yeah. Alright, bam. We not watch 40 seconds of that one here. Next song on the track, Cast Iron Art. Y'all know some every song by the track I go catch some person's eyes or ears, and that one never catch my ears. So next one I'm Jada Kingdom woman. Jesus Christ, no, wait, whoa. Cast Iron Art, Jada Kingdom, what go on, babes? What go? You're good. Alright, Cast Iron Art, Jada Kingdom, like, she share this on her Instagram because I'm start follow artist now. You understand me? And she said she thankful. Yo, Adi, thanks for putting more on your album. Yeah. Jada, I see you mention me as well. Anyways, Cast Iron Art, we could go through that one now. Ooh. Jada Kingdom. You know anybody? Jada. Remember, this one is called Cast Iron Art, featuring Jada Kingdom. Yeah. 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 I don't know if I'm going to take a next listen upon that one here again, but so far that one is good, but my favorite is still In The Moment, people. Anyways, the final song on the track is, the final song on the album is Fell Apart by Vybz Kartel. No features on this one, so let's see. Fell Apart. Addy. Come, Addy. Let's see what the one can go on with, Addy. Ready? Yeah. Alright. Let's go. Yeah. 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 Of course. Why shouldn't do it, dog? When they fell apart. But big show, but anyways, people, now is my time to give you my favorite song. And you all know my favorite song on the track is In The Moment. I'm going to hear the favorite song on the track. This is the favorite song on the track, people. Listen to my tune. Listen to my tune. I want to say thank you for checking out my video, guys. Please smash that like button, that subscribe button. It's been a boy, Ty. And I'll see you all in another video. You there? This is my favorite song on the track. In The Moment. For the girl them. Hear me now, Addy. Ready? Ready? No. But yeah, guys, that's my favorite song. Thank you for checking out my video. It's been a boy, Ty, guys. Remember, road to 10K subscribers, guys. Like, everybody in Jamaica eating like 100K and a million subs. Thank you, little bro. Anyways, we'll see you on another video, guys. Peace out.